Happy Saturday, people. So I'm gonna be working on still continuing kind of my backup script uh uh programs or scripts I'm working on. Yesterday I focused on semantic models, so today I'm gonna do I think reports. I'm gonna get a backup plan for those. So essentially save all my reports off my workspace, have a timestamp so I can have kind of a backup strategy for that or a recovery strategy. But then I'm also going to work on a script to kind of show maybe like the differences between different versions so I can quickly find what's changing. Um, that's where I'm going to probably stop at and then think about what else I want to do. Ultimately, I think what I'm really working on are maybe like 4 to 5 different layers for my Power BI ecosystem or my footprint to help me manage it. So the first one is just my backup strategy, like ensuring that both my semantic models, my reports are backed up and I can recover them. So that's my first layer. Second layer probably will be just making sure my I can search through all of my objects within my Power BI workspace, so both my reports and my models. Then the third layer probably would be just tools and ways to help my development, making it faster. So like what can I do to develop faster, like templates, things like that. And maybe the fourth layer is like quality checks, like looking for error messages, both in my models probably, and then also my reports as well. So that's just kind of, I think, what I'm hoping to lead up to with this. Um, what I'm doing is I'm just working through this and you guys can kind of follow along, you can watch. It's more concept based and just really looking to motivate people to, hey, like try some of this stuff yourself. I'm not going to go into detail on my code or anything like that, but just really trying to motivate people to think about the different concepts, how they work with Power BI, and getting out and just building your skill. So here we go. I'm going to get started on making my scripts for saving my reports.
Come together now, all together.
Okay, so I'm going to pause here. I do have the report script working. Um, so what this does is it helps me with my backup strategy on my Power BI tenant or workspace or my kind of whatever Power BI uh, objects that I own. This one's specifically for reports. So essentially what this does is it pulls all of my reports off of my workspaces that I own and then saves them to a folder. And what's nice about this is it timestamps the folder. So like theoretically, I could set this up to run on a schedule. And then each time it runs, it backs up all my reports. And then we can kind of see is this was ran, 5 minutes ago. And then I have this one here too. Um, so I've deleted uh, a couple things out of here. Um, and then I have a second script that actually looks at the differences between a couple of my newest files. So if anything changes, I can start seeing that. So we can see there aren't any new reports. There is one report removed. That's the one I deleted. And then I went in and just kind of changed the JSON file of one of the reports and it picks that up too. So it's really kind of a nice kind of difference comparison of my files that exist out there to help me start spot checking if anything changes. So that went a lot quicker than I was thought, so that's good. Next thing I'm going to probably try to work on right now is I'm going to jump back to the semantic models and I'm going to uh, see if I can get it to be able to publish a semantic model again very easily because I'm pulling it down and it's a TIMDAL file. Those TIMDAL files don't aren't necessarily easy to upload. I think you potentially could use Tabular Editor 2 or 3. I'm going to try to build something where I can just uh, join those TIMDO files to maybe like an existing like PBI or PBIP templated folder and then just upload those that way. But we'll see how that goes. More to come.
Come together now, all together.
Okay, everybody, back here. Um, so my first kind of part of the video, I showed you essentially a way to pull down, or what I was working on was a way to pull down all my reports. And then kind of save them so I can have a backup strategy. And then I had a script that would allow me to compare the newest one to the second newest one so that I can look for any differences. Um, after I got that, I actually circled back and started working on kind of a similar script for semantic models, though. Um, in the past, I've been able to pull them down, but they're in the Timdo file. So even though I might be archiving them and having a copy of them, um, because they're in that Timdo file, then it is challenging to actually save it back to the service. It's not like in a PBIP format or a PBIR format. Um, so I actually got a workaround for that where I don't even have to use Tabular Editor 2 or 3. But essentially what I'm doing is I have the script running. Um, what I'm doing though is, let me kind of get back here. So I have this just like, where is it? The template folder here. This is a PBIP, like a blank Power BI, essentially PBIP structure. Um, and then my script is the Fabric CLI. It's pulling down the semantic models, and then it's taking that folder, making a copy of it, and then kind of switching out the content so then I can still have the PBIP or the Power BI desktop once this is running. Um, so kind of a cool way to do that. Let me see if this is running though. I think it might be stalled out. Go here, 951. Yeah, I think this is stalled out. Let me try to run this again. We'll run this in there. I just want to make sure that's running then. 955. Okay, so that did just save. We'll let that go through and kind of show you what I mean. Um, actually, I probably can use maybe the previous folder here. So typically, when the Fabric CLI pulls down that Timdo file, let me get this, what that looks like this one right here. You can kind of look at this. You can see it doesn't have any, it just has the Timdo definitions, like the tables, the relationships, models, everything like that, but it doesn't have the PBIP or the PBIX file where I can open up the Power BI model and save it back to the service. So it's nice that, like, if I'm just pulling down those Timdo files, I have like I have the metadata, but it's not necessarily like a true backup because I can't save it back. So that's what this script running right now is really doing, is it's making that true backup where I can actually save it back to the service now. So if I look at this one here, if I go into these, you can see I have that Power BI template. Probably still have to rename this, but if I open this up, it's actually going to have my the PBIX file. So I should be able to publish this back to the service. Let's see how this works here. I got to refresh it because it's the PBIP file. Let's do that. But this is the architecture or structure of that. And let's try to publish this. Employee. I'll just do that. This down. And I'm just gonna see if it's on that. I think I went to, no, I went to employee there. Yep. Okay. So it's publishing fine. Um, perfect. So that that actually worked. And I like that solution where I can get all of metadata of those semantic models. It's not just the Timbo file. I can attach them to that like a PBIX file more or less again and publish it back to the service. So it's kind of what I'm looking for. These are time stamped. Should be able to set this up on a refresh schedule and do this every so often, depending on my frequency. So I really like the start to what I'm building um, for kind of my backup strategy or my data recovery strategy. It'll be interesting. Like let's say like a if I have like a full uh, if I ever need to like engage a full recovery system, I wonder if I can actually even automate publishing all of these models back to the service. That'd be kind of a cool thing to look at, and maybe even like the timing of it, like how long does it take me? Because that'd be kind of a good metric, but like, okay, if you need to recover your entire Power BI workspace, how long would that take you? And being able to have that metric, oh, I can recover 20 models, or I can recover 100 models, or I can recover 200 models within this time frame. That's cool to have. Um, Also, I really like the reports that show the differences between um, your models, and it's not just looking at one; it's looking at everything within your entire tenant. So that's kind of cool to see too. So uh, I think I might end the video now. I might work on a few other things tonight, but I hope you enjoyed this so far. All right, talk to you later. Bye.